Hey, what's up everybody? Manny from Motomillion and my good buddy 650 Eve here.
What's up everybody?
And what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna check out Eve's new bike that he just ordered. So Eve, what do you think?
I am just absolutely beside myself, Manny. This bike is 10 times more beautiful than it is in the pictures. The pictures and videos online do it no justice. These awesome winglets look totally striking. They're big, but they add presence to the motorcycle that I think was missing on the V4S and the Speciale. It's very distinctive, highly recognizable, and most importantly, it matches the rest of the matte carbon fiber on the bike. It's just an outstanding bike. One of my favorite parts about this motorcycle is the exposed aluminum. And yes, I'm going to say it like that. Exposed aluminum on the tank, and the way that these beautiful gills that sort of remind me of the first generation of the S1000RR, they look awesome too. And from what Ducati tells us, they're highly functional for the motorcycle. And we just found out today, Manny, this bike is going to be shipped with a dry clutch. So that's awesome. You tell me, how does that affect my riding and what's the benefit of a dry clutch?
Well, the dry clutch, as you know, it comes on all the racing bikes. And the benefits are there's less drag on the clutch, on the engine, so you put more power to the rear wheels. It is a little bit more of a maintenance item, but hey, you know,
that's not an issue.
To put those smackdowns in the filthy streets of Cleveland,
yeah.
Exactly.
And it looks great. The cover that's on it's like half of a cover, so the cover that's on the dry clutch system on this bike looks great. My good buddy Juno had an 1198 Corsair, and I used to love the chatter and clatter. It sounded like a rattlesnake being put in a blender that the bike would make, and so I'm excited to have a unique and distinctive sound for this motorcycle too.
You don't care if people say it's broken?
No, they're going to say that, but that's fine because the bike, you can see it's functional. It's going to help the bike become faster, and you know, at the end of the day, it's all about the smackdowns for me on the street and the track.
And you know that we're going to be able to change up a lot of the parts, right? You already have some stuff for it,
Yeah.
like the wheels.
The wheels, we have that. I'm gonna go with the BST Rapid Tech wheels again. You're gonna have to get me a set of rear sets because unlike the Speciale, these rear sets are fixed on the bike. They're not adjustable. And also I'm gonna need a set of levers as well. But aside from that, I mean, I placed this bike higher than the V4 Speciale that I just got rid of.
I think, you know, I have a couple cool pieces for you, so I'll surprise you with them once you get the bike.
Oh, I'm too excited.
Maybe it could be my present for you as a new bike for you.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for all your help, Eve. And stay tuned. Here is a brand new S1000RR. As you see, it's in the tricolor paint scheme, in the motorsport colors. It's got the carbon fiber wheels on it. One thing that's really cool is the rear fender section. Now the taillights are in the turn signals. Your brake light's on there, so once you get rid of that fender, it's going to look really nice. It's going to look really clean. It has a lot of potential for carbon fiber parts on this bike to make it look really, really special. Even if you don't get these wheels, I'm sure we'll be able to get these wheels for you as an option. As you can see, the headlights are actually really nice. They went away from the asymmetrical design. Well, we're going to be showing you some other bikes as well, but this is one of the stars of the show at least. Until then, see you guys next time.